Hey, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal, a pre-recorded episode. I'm out of town today on this Monday, but we're recording this on Wednesday, a few days before we actually air it. 1384 behind us. What a beautiful paint job. We're going to talk about paint today. We're going to talk about paint. We're going to talk about a few other things, and then we're going to go look at a non-slide consigned coach that's for sale. So we're going to be all over today. Stick with us. It's brilliant. Take a look at 1384 behind us. What a beautiful paint job. We're going to look at several new paint jobs, a coach in shell prep. But look at that. Take a look at 1384. When they first come out of paint, one of the things you'll notice is that there's no rub rails. Everything is still kind of set up. I still see some of the paper from actually being masked off, but our paint team just pulled this out here to look at it in the natural light. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Look at all of the detail. John, I'm gonna let you get some really good shots on the back side of 1384. Look at all that detail. It's got some classic pinstriping design running through there. Too cool. 1384 coming to you quite soon from the production floor. This is an H3 double slide bunk coach, so that's going to be really cool. I think we should go inside, John. So let's head on in and look at the next coach. I believe it's 1385 as we walk past 1384 one more time. Take a look at 1385. Beautiful. And if you look at the backside where the sun is actually hitting it, you really get a good capture of that blue texturing that runs throughout this coach. Marathon Paint Department doing an amazing job. Wait till you see the front bumper of this. I love this coach. There's some really cool elements to this paint job. A lot of fading where it goes from a light color, almost white, kind of a cream, and then it drags all the way into the blue. It's really cool. Another H3 double slide headed to the production floor really soon. But take a look at this this gradual fade on the bumper, John. Really cool. This will be nice to see on the production floor also. But I love all the features to the paint job. Let's take a look at the next one in here. I believe it's 1386. We'll actually get to go in the booth here. Thank you, John. This is actually a quad slide, you guys, and as you can see, it's getting lined out here. Got some base coat on there. Pretty sweet. It's not just on the exterior of the coach, but look how we prepare the cockpit. The entire cockpit is masked off on the inside. A lot of that is probably to achieve keeping the dust off. But boy, I tell you, this is going to be a good one too. Wait till you see some of the features on this coach is going to really stand tall. 1386. There is the feature that we're painting on the rear of this coach is going to be amazing. And as you can see, they're preparing to line that out back here. I don't want you to see too much about it, so we're going to save that for another video. And let's go out here and take a look at a coach in shell prep. All right, so we're going to head over here and look at a coach in shell prep. Now that's right before the coach is brought in to start to apply the paint to the coach, and a lot goes on when it comes to shell prep. We're going to actually go through this door right here and take a look at 1387. 1387 in shell prep, probably about 3-4 days before it goes into the paint booth to start getting sprayed. A lot of work and effort goes on, and one of the things you can see happening right now is that they are working on the roof caps that are up there. You see all the way in the back, so there's 4 or 5 guys working on this coach right now. That's a lot of work. Very, very cool. All right, so that's 1387. That is an H3 double slide that's also going to be in paint for about a month, maybe a little bit longer, and then it's going to be on the production floor. So we saw, what, 4 coaches, John? 4 coaches, 84, 85, 86, and 87, all headed down to production here within the next month. So I'm really excited to be able to show you those as they move along on the production floor. But this one's going to be really cool too. A lot of customizations going on all of these coaches. So that being said, I want to show you guys a really cool non-slide marathon that's actually for sale. Let's head over there. And from the paint department, here we are back in the display stall with Coach 0713 or Coach 713. This is an 01 non-slide. You guys take a look at this beautiful floor plan. There's a lot of cool things about this coach. I love the upgraded hardwood floor that you see down there. That's very nice, but this is a really cool non-slide coach. This coach is right on the cusp of when slides started to come in to the production floor or into the Prevost chassis. So what you see here is a non-slide 2001, 150,000 miles. And this is a really well-kept coach. Wait till you get to see the exterior of this one. It's got a table with chairs style dinette. Good size galley over here. Good storage throughout. Sofa that jackknifes down. Good leather. Good colors throughout on this coach. 0713. Yeah, really good storage. Residential refrigerator here. And then John will show you through the water closet and the shower, which is a good size corner size shower, or I should say corner style. And then John, I'll let you flip around and take a look at the bedroom. As you walk into the bedroom, on your left-hand side is a full stacking washer dryer. And of course, good closet space in the rear of this coach. Carpet in the bedroom, which is very typical of the era of coach. It's got solid surfaces from tile all the way to hardwoods up in the salon. So tile in the midship or in the galley dinette area. Very nice. Closet behind John. Closet right here. Oh, that's a big closet. Very cool. 2-foot hanger bar up there. This is kind of a thing that we did in this era, this being in 2001. In that 01, 2, and 3 era, we did a lot of this. I call it the get ready area, or the get ready table. So it's got really nice storage above and below, and of course a corresponding stool for you to pull out and sit here, get ready, whether it be makeup, hair, or jewelry. It's got a nice setup for that, and storage for whatever you need to get ready with. Good natural light here in the bedroom. Small TV actually around the spot that John is standing in, but there is a small Samsung TV affixed right there, and because of that you get all the natural light when these Roman style shades go up and away. All right, I switched spots with John. I want to show you all the storage that's on the other side of the bed here. Not only do you have all of these drawers And I like the fact that it's got these locks in here. The pin locks really help keep everything in place. Those of you who are RV owners, you know the benefit of having those. But a really good size closet in the rear of Coach 713. Very nice. Very nice. Well taken care of coach. You can tell how well this coach has been taken care of. There's a lot of really good features throughout this coach too. Queen size bed, which is specific to the era. Pocket doors that close off everything, so you can close off the entire galley, dinette, and salon from the water closet area and the bedroom. I always want to look at the sink because I want to show you a cool detail. Take a look at the band that runs around this. That's a really nice customized feature that adds a little bit of color to the sink in here, because that band color is also the same color you see that runs along each solid surface throughout this coach. So it's cool that they put that band on the inside of the sink. Just makes it a little bit more of a nice flavor to the detail. That's it, Coach 713. This one's for sale, you guys. Non-slide, 150,000 miles on this 2001 Marathon coach. Good occasional table here. Everything's in really good shape on this coach. So if you're looking to get into a non-slide coach, this is a really good option, because now we're going to go outside and take a look at this exterior paint. It is, I mean, wait till you see this. Let's go take a look. All right, you guys, let's take a look at the exterior of 713. Love the colors of this, and wait till you see the back end of this one. Take a look. Very well taken care of paint. You can tell that this paint job was cared for. I'm sure this coach was stored indoors, but it has aged quite well for a 22-year-old Marathon. This is in amazing condition. The paint has, and this is original paint. John, I'll let you get a good shot of the backside of this. Kind of cool with that gold Prevost lettering. Very nice. This really stands out. Yeah, very cool. Well, that's it, you guys. We've done a lot today on this pre-recorded episode. So thanks for hanging out with us as we went down and saw 4 coaches in the paint department. And a big thanks to the paint department for letting us open doors when we shouldn't, and getting into trouble down there, but that's what you got to do. Coach 713, it's for sale. If you're looking to get into a marathon, especially this non-slide 2001, get at me, Mal W, that's MALW at marathoncoach.com. I'm out of town for the week, but I'm always answering my phone with the emails and or the calls. Be yourself and do good things. Take care of each other and get on the road. Enjoy it.